Extreme long shot. The figure is tiny and indistinct in a very large area. Long shot. The figure is small in the frame and slightly indistinct. Medium long shot. The standing human is distinct and somewhat closer, but with a considerable headroom and footroom. Full shot. The standing figure fills the screen from top to bottom, often with just a small amount of headroom and foot. Three-quarter shot. The shot shows the subject from above the knees to the top of the head. Medium shot. The shot shows the subject from above the belt line to the top of the head. Medium close-up. The shot shows the subject from above the solar plexus to the top of the head. Close-up. The shot shows the subject from the shoulders to the top of the head. Big close-up. The shot of the subject from the below the chin to the foreline or hairline. Extreme close-up. The shot shows the subject from the base of the nose to the eyebrows. Bird's eye angle, a high camera's position. High angle, a shot in which the camera is evidently higher than the eye level of a human subject. Neutral angle, a shot in which the camera is more or less at the subject's eye level. Low angle, a shot in which the camera is evidently below eye level. Worm's eye angle, an extremely low camera position looking dramatically upward.
Naughty, a shot of someone nodding. Reaction shot, a shot of someone reacting to a situation. Insert, inserting on an object farther away. Shows two people or objects in the frame.
Simplicity, eliminating unnecessary objects from the frame, so that the viewers have fewer things to identify. Order, means arranging objects in the image neatly. Balance, means distributing the objects in a way that gives about equal visual height to each selection of the image.
Depth, the area in which all objects located at different distances from the camera appear in focus.
Convergence, an actual world parallel lines seem to gradually come together as they recede into the distance. In two-dimensional compositions, converging lines convey a power of sense of depth. Rule of thirds. For the rule of thirds, you need to visualize a tic-tac-toe grid that divides your camera. Then create compositions in which the important pictorial elements match the lines and intersections on the grid. It is not necessary to match all parts of the grid.
Symmetrical balance. Compositions are more pleasing to the eye when their elements appear to have the same visual weight. Framing. When the rule of thirds will not yield a good composition, try the opposite approach by placing important elements near the edges of the frame. Emphasis. Emphasis can be added by adjusting position, relationship, or significance, and contrasting size, brightness, color, and/or focus. Leading lines. To emphasize a subject extremely effectively, simply point to it by using one or more of the lines in the composition.
Lead room. The camera must be somewhat ahead of the subject's motion and should lead the action rather than follow it. Nose room. The space in front of a person looking or pointing towards the edge of the screen. Head room. The space between the top of the head and the upper screen edge. Tilted horizon. Increasing horizon line increases the dynamic tension of the event.
Our minds try to make sense of the bombardment of impressions we receive every second and to stabilize the world around us as much as possible.
Angle of destiny. A shot from above a subject looking up at you.